Hello and welcome to Natural Sciences. Today's topic is the digestive system. Did you know that we have bacteria that lives in the large intestines which produce vitamin K and vitamin B? So that tells us that not all bacteria is bad bacteria. So this is our concept map which tells us how our lesson is going to go for today. So we will start by looking at the purpose and the function of the digestive system. We will then move on to the main processes that happen during the digestive system. And then we are going to look at the main components of the digestive system. And lastly, we are going to look at the health issues associated with the digestive system. You should know that cells are the basic unit of life and the powerhouse for energy production. You should also know that food contains energy and can be released through a series of chemical reactions during the process of respiration. We also know that cells, when they are grouped together, they make up tissues, and that tissues grouped together make up organs, and organs make up the body system or the organism. So in this lesson, we are going to look at the body systems, particularly the digestive system. Before we dive into our lesson, let us look at the new terms that we are going to come across during this lesson. So the first one is ingestion. So ingestion is taking food into the mouth. So when you are taking food from the plate into your mouth, that is called ingestion. The second one is digestion. So this is the process of breaking food into smaller and simpler substances. And then we have egestion. Egestion is getting rid of undigested food particles from the body. And then we have esophagus. And esophagus is the tube that connects the mouth and the stomach. And then we have nutrients, which are the substances that nourish our bodies. We also have absorption, which is the process when soluble nutrients are taken up by the bloodstreams through the intestines. And then we have feces, which is the waste material which is excreted or passed out through the anus after the food had been digested. So those are the new terms that we are going to use during this lesson. So before we move on to the first concept of this lesson, we are going to go to an ad break.